Hi everyone! So, mag-open tayo ng mga samples. Actually, ang dami nito. Actually, konti pa nga ito kasi ibang mga content creators ang dami na na-receive. And ganito pala yung feeling. Mas pala siya maka-receive ng mga free samples. And, na-open ko na yung iba, yung mga skincare products. So, eto, kararating lang nito. Itong ito, ng isang araw. Ayan. So, bilisan natin kasi this is medicine. Hello. Okay. Jewelry. Dalawang piraso. And then this one is a phone holder. So, meron din tayong bag. Pamalengke. And then this one. Maybe here, oh. Ooh, this is a phone, earphones. Diba? Para. And then, ooh, meron din tayong bluta. Yeah, don't put that in the garbage. I'm gonna give you here. Put this in the garbage. Yeah, this one. Yeah, another jewelry. Jewelry. That one, put that in the garbage. There. Yung assistant ko. Yung taga-pulo ako. This. Oh, another jewelry. Another jewelry. No, put that there. In the box. Here, baby, in the box. There. Another jewelry. What's going on? Back support. What is this? Ooh, sandals. What's in that? Sandals. This one is this. Guys, puro samples to. Wala akong nalabas naman. This is for Charlie. For Charlie. And this one for the kids. And vacuum. O, diba? Sayan. Ito pa nga. May mga sandals pa. Meron pa itong mga skincare. Hindi ko lang nadala dito kasi ginagamit ko na siya. Thank you to all the brands, all the sellers is trusting me. Gonna do some content for all of this.